Hey everyone, if Logseq Whiteboard is not working, won't open, freezes, fails to save changes, or displays a blank screen, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Logseq Whiteboard problems in 2026. First, restart Logseq and try opening the whiteboard again. Temporary application glitches can sometimes prevent whiteboards from loading correctly. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Logseq. Whiteboard functionality receives regular updates, bug fixes, and performance improvements that can resolve known issues. Another common fix is testing a different whiteboard. If one whiteboard fails to open but others work normally, the problem may be related to a specific whiteboard file. You should also check your available system resources. Large whiteboards containing many blocks, images, connections, and embedded content can consume significant memory and processing power. If Logseq becomes slow or freezes while opening a whiteboard, close unnecessary applications running in the background to free up resources. Another helpful step is disabling community plugins temporarily. Some plugins may interfere with whiteboard functionality and cause loading or performance problems. If the issue started after installing a new plugin, disable that plugin first and test the whiteboard again. You should also verify that your graph files are accessible and not corrupted. Damaged files within the graph can sometimes affect whiteboard behavior, and that's how to fix Logseq Whiteboard not working problems in 2026. In most cases, updating Logseq, disabling problematic plugins, checking system resources, and verifying graph integrity will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.